Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making a video comparing three exhaust setups on the Lotus Elise. This is the original front pipe or downpipe that has the catalytic converter. This one is a high flow CAD converter, and this one is catless. Alright, so the verdict so far on the catted high flow downpipe or mid pipe is it sounds good, but it's definitely quieter than catless. I do miss the catless sound. It's a little more aggressive, higher pitched tone. This one's a little bit deeper, a little more droney for some reason. This feels nicer though to drive. There's a little more low down torque. I think the extra back pressure helps. When you're running a decat pipe, there is a lack of low down torque. I've noticed it. There's no more smell, or if there is a smell, it's very faint. Compared to before, it was pretty smelly. So you have three choices. You got the original, the high flow cat, and then the decat downpipe. I prefer the decat or the high flow, just because of the sound and how much performance you get out of it. Also, it's you're preserving your expensive stock catalytic converter, which could blow out if you're driving it in the track especially. Here's what it sounds like in the car. Comment down below. So please comment down below, what do you guys prefer? High flow cat, catless, or stock catalytic converter? You be the judge. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video. Have a good afternoon.